In this video, I'm going to convert this Google Doc into a PDF document. So I'll go to File. Now there's no Export tab here. So I have to go to Download. And on the right side, there are some formats here. I'm going to choose PDF document. And the file is downloaded and it will be in your Downloads folder. So on the right side, there are three dots here. Just click on it. Click on Downloads, click Show in Folder, and this is the PDF document. So you can also convert this Google Doc into a PDF by just clicking on File, Print, and on the Destination section, click on the drop-down tab, and you can either select Microsoft Print to PDF or Save as PDF. I'll click on Save as PDF. Click Save. It asks you where you want to save it, and it says here Save as Type. It's already set as PDF file, and I'm going to select the Downloads folder. Click Save, and the Google Doc is converted and saved as a PDF file. So that's how easy it is to convert a Google Doc into a PDF document.